The Ghost of the Mountains. High up in the mountains of Central Asia, there lives a ghost. It hides in the forests. It usually comes out at night. People rarely see it. But it leaves tracks in the snow so people know it exists. This isn't a real ghost. This is the snow leopard. It is a big cat that people call the ghost of the mountain. The snow leopard has thick fur. It's got black spots on its head, body, and long tail. Its fur protects it from the freezing cold, and its spots helps it hide from its prey. It also has big paws to help it walk on the snow. Snow leopards eat wild sheep and goats. They are incredible hunters. When they attack other animals, they jump as far as 15 meters because of their strong back legs. They are powerful animals and they can kill prey that is 3 times bigger than them. They rarely attack humans, thankfully. This is Tai Lung, a snow leopard from the film Kung Fu Panda. He is the villain and a master of the leopard style of Kung Fu. He meets his match when he faces Po, the star of the film.
Who are you?
Buddy, I am the Dragon Warrior.
Sadly, this magnificent animal is now an endangered species. There are only a few thousand of them left in the wild. The snow leopard is an important symbol of Kazakhstan. In this country, there are less than 200 of the species left. It's important for us to help the snow leopard survive. We don't want it to become a real ghost of the mountains.